They're fast becoming one of the most popular driveway surfacing choices across the UK and beyond, resin bound driveways. The simplicity of mixing different coloured stone with resin creates stunning paving surfaces that provide strength, durability and longevity. Resin bound driveways are relatively easy to install, but with setting times of less than 10 minutes, you need to know what you're doing, so caution is advised if you're considering this as a DIY project. The choice of gravels available for resin bound driveways include Granite, Flint and Quartz. Demand is also incredibly strong for glow chip gravel, as this makes a spectacular sight at night for all you stargazers out there. Keep in mind that this isn't any old gravel dragged up from the beach. Gravel for resin bound driveways must be sized, washed and then really dried. An important part of the preparation process is also to filter out the very fine particles from the gravel. This means it must be tumbled, otherwise bonding may be compromised during the installation process. Generally, the size of the gravel is between 3 to 8 mm and is normally laid to a depth of 18 mm. A major advantage of resin bound driveways is their permeability. Permeability, you say? That doesn't mean perm type hairstyles, but relates to surface water being able to drain through a driveway surface. In the UK, sustainable urban drainage systems, commonly known as SUDs, are a hot subject for many local authorities. Flooding risks and increased demand on public sewer systems mean any new installations must satisfy SUDs requirements. A resin bound driveway with a suitable subbase, repeat with a suitable subbase, ticks the box. The technology behind resin, allowing water to go through it, is impressive, but talking chemistry and molecular structures is left out of this video. In optimal resin bound driveway installations, there will be a natural fall to bedding areas, and in these circumstances an overlaying may be possible. This means substantial cost savings, but caution is urged as an existing surface must be suitable. It's been known for some companies to bore holes into existing surfaces to aid drainage. This is not the way to go. Our wisdom, which is based on experience, says whenever possible the installation of a new subbase is best. Increasingly, grid systems are also being used with resin bound installations, and these provide extra support and increased weight bearing capacity. But again, with no two grids the same, some may provide weight bearing of only 750 kilograms, whereas others provide 10 times this amount. The two main types of resin in use for driveways, patios and pathways are aliphatic polyurethane or aromatic polyurethane. Aliphatic offers protection from ultraviolet UV rays from the sun, and this matters if an area has exposure to sun, as aromatic poly will dull with exposure. These darkened areas will stop the colours of gravel showing through. We've put together a review of resins from a number of installation companies, so make sure you visit Driveway-wise to weed out the wheat from the chaff. Don't settle for cheaper resins and go for the best. We hope this video has provided a good introduction to resin, and remember to give us a thumbs up below. Driveway-wise, knowledge you can trust.